4 tips to succeeding with the medical school secondaries. First, submit early. Assuming your letters of recommendation, MCAT scores, and the primary application have been submitted, the secondary is the last thing needed to allow your application to be reviewed for interview invitations. It's a lot easier to convince an AdCom to give you an interview early in the summer when 90% of the interview invite seats are still open, as opposed to September when only 50 to 60% of the seats remain. A general rule of thumb is to try to submit within 2 to 3 weeks of when the secondary was received. Second, get organized. When there's 20-some secondaries streaming in, each with an average of 5 prompts per secondary, it can be easy to lose track of which are completed, in progress, or haven't been started. Third, pre-write. Most schools' secondaries won't change much from year to year. Go to Student Doctor Network to see what last year's prompts were, and write what you can in advance while you wait to be verified. Fourth, categorize and write by prompt type. Mark which prompts fall into which categories as you compile your list of secondary prompts. It can be easier to use the momentum that you have writing one type of essay, recycle large chunks for essays asking similar things from other schools. And then, once you get tired of one category, just switch to another category and repeat the process.